How to reset forgotten Roblox password. So if you want to reset your forgotten Roblox password, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to launch your Roblox application. So open up your Roblox. After opening your Roblox, now go with sign in, which is on the bottom. And now you need to enter your email address or your username or your mobile number and then your password. Right. But what if you don't remember your password? You can go with forgot password or username, or you will also have an option of email me a one-time code. But if you want to reset or recover your password, you need to tap on reset and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to enter your email address that you've used while creating. After that, tap on submit, or you can also use the mobile number which is on the right side. So I'll just simply go with email. Now it says that an email with instructions has been sent to you. If the email was previously saved on your account, please check all of your folders including spam. So just go back, and here I have received the email. So open up your email that you've received. Now tap on reset password, which is right here, and it will take you to reset password section. Now select the account in which you would like to reset your password, and from here you'll be able to create a new password and confirm the new password and submit. That's how you can reset forgotten Roblox password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.